Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing this very bright makeup look. Now I was inspired by the campaign promo pic that Natasha Denona posted on her Instagram. So yeah, I saw the picture and I fell in love with the makeup look that the model was wearing, and I decided to, kind of do a look inspired by that look. It's not, the same. I did change a few things. So yeah, I made it like kind of like my own little spin on it. So this is the picture. So yeah, I wanted to do something using the Natasha Denona Tropic palette. So yeah, I really love this makeup look. I know it's not an everyday makeup look. This is more like type of editorial type of look, but I love it. And yeah, makeup is meant to have fun with. So I'm going to show you guys the palette. This is the palette right here. So yeah, this is what the palette looks like. I love all the pops of colors. I love all of these colors right here. And yeah, this is mainly what I used for my color. But yeah, I don't usually buy such expensive palettes, but this one I just felt like I needed in my life and was well worth the price, and something that I would definitely like to use on me and other people. So it is a limited edition. It is a summer palette, and it retails for $130 plus tax. Mine came out to like $140 with taxes. So yeah, if you guys would like to see a makeup look using the Natasha Denona Tropic palette, please keep watching and we will get right into this video. So I already went ahead and set my eye base with a skin toned color, and for my eye base I used my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. So the first shade I'm taking is Soft Melon, and I'm putting it into the crease. And I'm just like so shocked at how smooth these eyeshadows are, and honestly I'm not even like trying hard, and it's just like blending in perfectly. I'm taking the color right above the melon shade, and it is called Fake Tan. I'm taking that color with a MAC 217 brush, which is a lot smaller of a blending brush, and I'm going to put it in my crease, but I'm going to take it a lot lower. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a color that is pretty much spot on to the eyeshadow that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be taking this pencil Eye Kohl by MAC in High Def Cyan, and it looks like this. And I'm going to use this as a base. So I'm first going to line my waterline and line all around my eye, and then take it up a little bit onto the lid just for the blue eyeshadow to grab on better and be a lot more vibrant. Now I'm going to take a pencil brush, and this one is the Morphe 431, M431, and I'm going to like just blend out the top edge first, just to make it look more blended out. And I'm just going to like press it on with this flat kind of like shader brush. This is the MAC, so yeah, this is the MAC 239, and it is perfect for this type of application. We're just gonna press it on. Now I'm taking it on the bottom. Now I'm taking it on the bottom lash line as well. Okay, so now I'm going to take the same color Laguna, and I'm just going to apply it to the bottom lash line and blend it out. Okay, so to the inner corner of the eye, I want to add something, but I don't want to do anything else on the other, area of the eye. I think I'm just going to do like a pop of the shimmer in the inner corner. So for the inner corner, like I said, I think I want a pop of shimmer, and the only lightest shade in here is this one. I have like so many ideas in my head, but I guess I'll just have to like do other videos. But yeah, I'm going to take this one, and it is called Limoncello. Pretty shimmery yellow. Yeah, I'm going to apply it with this little tiny brush. I think I'm going to apply a little bit to the brow bone, just kind of to tie it all in. Just a little bit. Just whatever is left on my brush. So since the eyes are really dramatic, I want to do long lashes. So now that the eyes are complete, I just added some bronzer on the like outer perimeters of the face, and then just on the cheek area. So I didn't really contour, because I mean, when I see like more of these type of like promo pics from brands, you really don't see much of that, you just see a lot more like natural type of makeup. So now I'm going to apply some highlight. I'm going to take this cream color base by MAC, and it is called Shell. I love these. If you are looking for a really good like cream highlight, these are amazing. I don't know why people don't talk about these because they are really, really good. I definitely recommend these. And I'm just going to use my finger. So now to like further intensify it, I'm taking a mixture of these two highlighters right here from the Sleek Solstice palette. Now, I want to go very light on the lips just because the eyes should be the main focus of this look. So I'm going to go really nude and a lip gloss on top. So for my lips, I'm going to do one of my favorite lipsticks, which is the Charlotte Tilbury KKW lipstick. And now for my lip gloss, I'm going to do the Rihanna lip gloss.